Hello, I'm Miss Kelly and I teach first year history. Our school recently subscribed to My History app for desktop, tablet and whiteboard. It's easy to use. Teachers can find content by key stage, review lessons, topics and teaching notes, and create projects. Students can access it at home and at school through the My History app website using their universal login. They can do research using the D.C. Thompson Family History database, but only from inside the school. My colleagues and I have set up a cross-curriculum project called My World War I. I loaded the lesson Create a World War I newspaper onto our project homepage. In class, I introduce the lesson on the interactive whiteboard and demonstrate how students can set up a My Projects folder to store their work.
I thought history was boring, but when Miss Kelly showed us the My History app, it looked really colourful and fun. She wants us to create a newspaper about Dundee during World War I. I like that we can decide what to write. Miss Kelly said to look at the British newspaper archive to find interesting stories from that time. There was also a section all about World War I. I saved stories that I liked to my projects to inform my article. We put all articles together in the newspaper template and printed it out. Later on in social studies, we were asked to find a personal connection to the war. So for homework, I recorded my granny speaking about her granny. She was a suffragette and then worked in the munitions factory. In class next time, I used Find My Past to search her name and find out when and where she was born. In the British newspaper archive, there was an article about her being arrested before the war for trying to blow up a ship. It was so cool, but it was only after the war she got to vote. I used the My History app to make a slideshow of my project with Granny's voice over the top.
Michelle showed us her project on the computer at home. We all loved the story about my great-grandmother getting arrested. It made us want to know more about her family history.